Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to On Our Shelf. Today I have the new MacBook Neo in Indigo. This is a review. Let's check it out. We're taking a look at the new Apple MacBook Neo, the 13-inch in the indigo color. This is Apple's newest lightweight laptop for 2026, and it's powered by the A18 Pro chip and built specifically for Apple Intelligence and AI features. In this video, we'll talk about the design, the display, the performance, camera, battery life, and who is this laptop really for. So let's get started. When you first open up the box, you are greeted with the beautiful MacBook Neo, and then underneath it, you get the USB-C power cord and you get the power adapter. The MacBook Neo comes in many different colors: silver, blush, citrus, and indigo. The indigo color is definitely one of the standout features. It has a deep modern blue tone that looks clean and premium. It's different from the traditional silver or space gray that we usually see, so it really stands out. The 13-inch MacBook Neo is also very thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack or a laptop bag. If you're a student, remote worker, or someone who travels a lot, this size is perfect for portability. Apple keeps the design minimal and simple with a solid aluminum build that feels strong and durable. Now let's talk about the display. This MacBook Neo features a 13-inch liquid retina display. The colors look bright and vibrant, and texts look very sharp. Whether you're browsing the web, editing photos, watching movies, or working on documents, the screen looks great. The brightness is strong enough for indoor use and even works well in brighter environments. For everyday tasks like streaming videos, editing social media content, or working on projects, this display gives you a clear and comfortable performance. One of the biggest highlights of the MacBook Neo is the A18 Pro chip. This chip is designed to handle everyday tasks smoothly while also supporting AI-powered features through Apple Intelligence. That means things like smarter writing tools, better photo editing, faster searches, and more intelligent system features built directly into the laptop. If you're looking to use this MacBook Neo for advanced video editing, think again. The MacBook Neo isn't built for that, for heavy workloads, but it handles light video editing tasks smoothly, so you can rely on the MacBook Neo for that. The model we're looking at comes with 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of SSD. For most people, that's enough for web browsing, streaming videos, school or office work, light photo or video editing, running multiple apps at once, and stuff like that. So everything feels fast and responsive, especially thanks to Apple's optimized hardware and software working together. Now on the top of the display, you'll find a 1080p FaceTime HD camera. This is great for Zoom meetings, FaceTime calls, online classes, or remote work. The video looks clear and the camera performs well enough in moderate lighting. For anyone who spends time on video calls, this is a nice upgrade compared to older laptop webcams. Battery life is another big win here, with up to 16 hours on a single charge. Whether you're in class, working, or just browsing, this thing can easily last all day. Up front, you get a beautiful 13-inch liquid retina display with sharp resolution, vibrant colors, and up to 500 nits of brightness. Everything from videos to schoolwork looks crisp and clear. Overall, the MacBook Neo delivers a powerful modern experience at a surprisingly great price, around $600. Definitely one to check out. Now let's talk about the ports, and this is where things get a little different. The MacBook Neo keeps it simple with just 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack. That's it. But here's the important part. Not both USB-C ports are the same. One is faster, a USB 3 port, and another one is slower, a USB 2 port, mainly for basic accessories and charging. Overall, the MacBook Neo in Indigo blends style, power, and portability into one sleek package. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle everyday tasks, creative work, and a bit of AI magic, this could be the one. Alright, you guys, so that has been a look at the new MacBook Neo in Indigo. If you like this color too, let me know down in the comments. Share this video, subscribe, and like. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.